like math centers because I get to work with my friends, and sometimes when I get stuck, they can help me figure out how to do it.
You gotta pick a word problem and then read it, and then you gotta solve it, and then try to solve it on your paper, and then find out what the answer is.
What happens if you get stuck?
You ask one of your partners for help.
So now it's 25 into 1. 70. And what it's a pretty large number. 25. So we have to yes, you may go. You're good. Good job. Right. Right. Did you hear him? You add another 0. Very good. And again, think of it as a order.
I like doing math centers because it's fun learning about more things, and I think it's really fun because you could go to different centers, and if you get done with your work, like you kind of do the same thing in the center, but really it's like helping you a little.
Quarters can go into 100, 25, 50, 75. Yes, 100. Is it 5 to 100?
20. 3. Yeah,
3, 25, 4. So if you go into 100, how many go into 200? We doubled. You had 4 and 8. Right. 8.
If you get stuck in a math center, you can ask your friends there, or there's directions to help you.
In this center, each person gets a pack of fraction pieces, and one person picks 2 fractions to compare. Everyone writes the fraction in their notebook and uses the fraction table to find the correct sign, which is equal, big, or small.
Good. All right, you guys keep going with the center.
We don't have 7. No, it's just 8s and 10s. It's just so long.
Do using these manipulatives help you with math?
Yeah, it helps us visualize the fractions. And 6 tenths. 6 tenths is good. Yep. Then he only lets you weird now.
No, so it's 0.9.
Sorry.
The thing that I've noticed with math centers is that it takes a lot of upfront work, getting the centers ready, organizing the materials, and getting them all set up. Once you do that, they pretty much run themselves.
Okay. You have to pick a card, and it's gonna have an angle on it, and it's gonna have like AST or something. So you gotta measure it. Then the partner records it and puts it down on a piece of paper. Then the other person records, and then it's their turn.
And what tool are you using to do that?
Right angle, right?
No.
Toys and
Over 100.
Your turn.
What do I do with my key? Okay, so what do I do with do I divide this one? Why not? Why not, Antonio? Melanie, scoop it. Huh?
16.
Well, you guys, because it's 100, so we know the place value for that, right? And we know how to write it. So
55.
55.
no, it wouldn't be 2 point. If it was 2 point,
And
that
what
would show a whole. It was 2 and something. Point.
Is this something that you've already learned how to do or something you guys are learning right now?
With Mr. McCarthy, he was like a student, a teacher assistant or whatever. We learned this with him, and he did angles with us, and we had to measure which angle and how direction was it. So right here, no, this isn't it.
Math Center is decimals because it's fun when you roll the dice and you gotta like divide it and see what decimal you get.
My favorite Math Center is this money game because the first one I guess to $1 wins, and I like playing it because you do a lot of different like counting and stuff, and it's like sometimes you'll get, if you roll like a 4, you'll get 25 cents and so on.
We're on this center, on center 1, we're turning decimals into fractions. Like, for example, 6/30, 6 and 3/10 is the same as 6 and 3/10.
What happens if you don't know that? What do you do if you get stuck?
I'll just ask my partner, and if he knows it, he can help me.
And what if he doesn't know it? What do you do if you're both stuck?
We read the directions.
But what if you don't know how to convert the decimal?
We'll just
You ask the teacher? All right, can you play so I can see?
Your turn to play. And
1. If we need help in Math Centers, Miss Cook will help us by either coming to us, to the whole group, or coming just to help the single person and go somewhere else to teach them how to do it.
It helps to work with friends in Math Center because if you get stuck, they can help you on even a problem that you get stuck on. And then if you get stuck, they can help you.
Dude, just get him up, go. I want you. No, you have the same way.
wow.
Oh, no.
15.
No, what did you do that for? No, I didn't see it. Did you know?
And 56.
7. Which one? 15.
Okay, how many times can 15 go into 75?
56. Oh.
Yeah, like about 6 times. Well, let's try. 15 times 6. 30. That would be 90. So that's over. So let's try 4. Let's try 4. That's 60.
What?
So that would be it.
No, it would be 5. Try 5. No, it's 3. No. It should be a 4 again.
You cannot pick like that.
Okay, the reason I do centers in my classroom is so the students have a chance to review a lot of items that we've already worked on, a lot of different concepts, and because I found that in math there's so many different things that they're doing and learning that it's nice to have that constant review, and it also helps them allow to be able to have their partners, their peers help them, and just not me with how to deal and solve math problems.